Hi, today I'm going to show you how to work on the back of your crochet chain. So this is 10 chains, actually it's 11 chains. We're going to start in the second chain and work 10 half double crochets, but instead of working on the front of this chain, we're going to roll it over and work on the back of the chain. So those loops that you see sticking up on the back of the chain is your third loop. So you have a front loop and a back loop and then a third loop. So we are going to find those third loops and work on the back of the chain. The reason why you would want to do that is to leave a pretty chain along your edge, like for bordering on a sweater. So here's the front. We're going to flip it over to the back. We're going to find, there's our first chain, so here's our second chain. We are working half double crochet, so we're going to work a half double crochet in that loop. Just insert it under that one loop and make your half double crochet. Then we're going to find the next loop working on the back, and there it is. Then we're going to work on the third one. You can see the loops in that they pop up just a little bit, like right there. We were going to go under just that third loop there. And we have 10 across. And then I'll show you the pretty edge we get. So there's our next loop. Oops, going to get just the loop. Sometimes it's easy to get the front loop too. Now, there's our next loop. Here's our next loop, and I believe we have one more. There's our last loop right there, and we should have 10. Now to turn it back over, there's your front, there's your bottom edge, and it's a nice pretty braided edge. And so if you were making a sweater or something along that line that you wanted a pretty edging for, then turning your beginning chain over and working in that third loop on the back leaves you a nice pretty edge.